and that's what it will be for now. We'll keep it very basic. Okay, then our channels thing, let's put it up a little bit. Channels, which will have channels, and we're going to map. Wait, this is ES6, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Let's use let instead of var. Let channels equal this.state channels.map function, and we'll return a channel, I think. Oh shit, wallpapers and channels are different things. I messed up. This one can go, by the way. Let's see, what was I planning to do? This, no. Oh really? My drawing disappeared. Must have resized my view, my window. So the idea for those who aren't there is this. For now, just one of the views that I'm going to build today. These are channels basically, and these 4 things will be previews of wallpapers that are inside the channel. So for example, this would be, I'm drawing with my mouse, so that's really bad. Nature, and there will be trees and rivers and stuff, and here will be the wallpapers that are inside this channel. Like this one is selected, yeah, right. So that's what I want to build today. Yeah, it's nice to have it as something to look back on. Okay. So what we want to have, the channel should, what kind of state should the channels have? You know what, I think it's best to just describe our state kind of in a big way. What we have is channels, an overview way, I mean. Channels, and each channels, well, we have channel objects, and they will contain a list of wallpapers, and each wallpaper will of course have properties, name, something, wallpapers, and wallpapers will be of this kind URL. They'll have some kind of URL, and they have some kind of size, although not right now. They'll have a URL, and this is pretty much what our thing looks like, our structure right now. So what we need is a channel container. We have that, which will pretty much be the whole thing, right? This thing, I mean, the whole thing. We'll have a channel, which will be one of these. Channel container will have a channel list view or something like that, which will be this part. Let's just circle everything. That's a component, this is a component, this is a component. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 components right now. Probably more. And wallpaper view, yes, of course, we do have more. This one is a component also. Wallpaper grid view, although I don't think this is a good idea. Wallpaper view and wallpaper. So that's what we have right now. So let's describe the kind of data that they need. And the data that they need, the channel container just gets this, I think. The channel needs channels. Needs the channels thingy. channel view has state. No, channel doesn't need that. Channel needs a name and a list of wallpapers. That's what the channel is about. Channel view. We have a wallpaper view. And the wallpaper view will contain state wallpapers, current wallpapers, list of wallpapers, and well, a wallpaper will just have a URL. For now, at least. There'll be more, like size and category tags, I don't know. Depends on the design a little bit. Okay, so we basically have one big structure and we're going to distribute it over the smaller ones. Let's make this a lot smaller so that will fit. Oh, okay. Channel control. Oh, this is Dutch music. I don't think you guys will understand Dutch music. Will you? Don't think so, do you? Let's do some bad house music or something. Yeah. So we have the channel container, which is going to distribute channels, right? We have the channel container, which has this channels thing, the channels view. Channel view. Let's rename this. Channel view. Channel container. Let's call it container. Wait. That's confusing. This is the channel view. I don't know. Channel view. Channels equals this dot state dot channels. Hold down each other, guys. Lots of thinking, and it's harder when you have to talk. Also, it's kind of distracting. Yeah, so we have a wallpaper container. And the wallpaper container will get a list of wallpapers. But can't we just give it all the channels? No, that would be replicating state, I guess. Depending on what thing is selected. Yeah, what we're going to do is have a function here. Selected channel, well, a piece of state. Selected channel, which will just be a name string. And we'll have a function here, select channel function. Select channel function, and we'll have name, channel name, which is setting state selected channel name. And we're going to pass this function to the channel container. And how are we going to do that? I don't remember. So let's look at the React docs. React passing callback child. Would be kind of embarrassing if it's in the tutorial, wouldn't it? Callbacks as props. When the user submits a comment, we need to refresh the list of comments to include the new one. It makes sense to do all of this logic in the comment box, since the comment box owns the state that represents the list of the comments. I agree, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. We need to pass data from the child component back up to its parent. That's exactly what we need to do. We do this in our parent's render method by passing a new callback, handle comment submit, into the child, binding it to the child's own comment submit event. Whenever the event is triggered, the callback will be invoked. So pretty much they're passing this. But you needed to do some kind of weird bind stuff, right? As I remember it, at least. Well, whatever. If that's not necessary, then I won't do it. So, channel selection equals this dot select channel. Select channel. Yep. And then what we need to do is pick out the selected channel, like pick out the channel that's selected right now. Oh wait, I need to add state. Pick selected state, the selected channel, so we need to pretty much pick out this. So we need to filter the channels. Filter channel return. Wait, is there a function to pick out exactly one instead of filtering? Because that's actually what I need. I'm not using n underscore or something. I think it's kind of bloated.